Hey guys, Axel here again, and today this is part 4 of our horror game tutorial series. So today we're gonna be making a pretty simple round system. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, head on to server script service and add in a script. Make sure it's an empty one. And finally, put this script in. So basically, this will be our kind of main handler. There's also settings here where you can change like how long the intermission time, the round time is. So I'm just gonna keep it 10 for testing purposes, but like I said earlier, you can change this to whatever time you want. So I'm just gonna call this script main round and this one look, since I forgot to name these guys for some reason. Next, we will be handling time. So first, head on to replicated storage and add in a folder. So make sure to name this folder round data, just like that. Next is inside of round data, we're gonna insert in a number value. And also make sure you rename these guys exactly as I do in this video, or else it won't work. So now call this number value time. So this will basically be our time. Wow. Next, we'll be handling our player teleport. So again, go ahead into replicated storage and add in a bindable event. And also make sure to call this teleport player, just like this. So now, we're gonna be making our timer GUI. So yeah, let's get started. So first, hop onto starter GUI again and insert in a screen GUI. I'm just gonna call this round UI, just like this. Wow. You can name this whatever, it doesn't really matter. Okay. Next, insert in a text label. So I'm just gonna design this since this looks ass. Okay, so after you're done designing your text label or whatnot, insert in a local script, make sure it's an empty one, and paste the script in. So basically, this will handle the time, for a round. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So now next is player teleportation. So to do that, just head on to starter player, go into starter character scripts, and insert in a script. And also make sure it's an empty one. So this script basically handles our player teleportation. So like, you get teleported to the main round, then to the lobby, yada yada. You get it. So I'm just gonna call this teleport player script, just like that. So after this, we're just gonna basically make our map and our lobby. But since I'm kind of lazy right now, what I'm gonna do is just raise this spawn point and call it a day. So now for our teleportation thing. Okay, so first insert in two parts. Okay, so make sure to call one of the parts round teleport. I'm just gonna call it that tele. And also make sure to have these guys can collide and cast shadow off, and also make sure they are invisible. So round teleport will basically be our teleport part for our round. So I'm just gonna put this away from our lobby. Just imagine that this area right here is our map, and then this spawn point will be our lobby. So next, name this part, and also make sure this guy is anchored and can collide off, cast shadow off, and then transparency set to 1. So basically, this part will be our part that teleports us back to the lobby. So make sure to call this part round finished teleport, just like that. So now, when playtesting, it should work. Right, so as you can see, it might say unknown time since I'm kind of laggy. Am I laggy? Okay, there we go. 3, 2, 1, boom! We got teleported to the I guess play area, and then after just like 3 to 1 second, it should teleport us back to the lobby. Yeah, we're back here. Yay! So yeah, that's all for today. Bye bye.